The Advocate's Phantom plunges readers into the thrilling world of Jake Tyler. Jake is a defense attorney with a knack for trouble. In Teresa Burrell's latest novel, he finds himself more than neck-deep. A wealthy businessman is dead. All signs point to his wife. The case seems open and shut. But Jake smells something foul in the air. As Jake digs deeper, he uncovers a twisted web of secrets. The businessman's family is a viper's nest of betrayal and lies. Everyone has a motive. No one is above suspicion. And as Jake gets closer to the truth, he finds himself in the crosshairs of a mysterious figure. Enter the Phantom. This anonymous entity begins to torment Jake. Cryptic messages appear. Threats escalate. Jake's once clear-cut case becomes shrouded in fear and paranoia. He must fight to maintain his composure. The line between reality and illusion begins to blur. Is the Phantom real or a figment of Jake's increasingly stressed mind? Jake dives deeper into the case. Each new witness, each piece of evidence, reveals another layer of deception. The victim's family, business associates, even past rivals, all become entangled in the web of suspicion. Jake finds himself questioning everyone's motives. Trust becomes a luxury he can ill afford. The Phantom's presence looms large. Is it a person? A group? The answer remains elusive. The Phantom seems to be always one step ahead, pulling the strings from the shadows. Jake's pursuit of justice becomes a desperate race against an unseen enemy. As the danger escalates, so do the stakes. Jake's relentless pursuit of the truth puts his own life in jeopardy. He soon realizes that this case is about more than just finding a killer. It's about confronting the darkness that hides beneath the surface of affluence and power. The Phantom's web tightens around Jake. The pressure mounts. He begins to doubt himself, questioning his every move. Is he chasing ghosts, or is there a mastermind behind the mask? The line between hunter and hunted blurs. Jake must confront his own vulnerabilities to escape the trap that's closing in. Burrell masterfully weaves a tapestry of suspense. She keeps readers guessing with every chapter. Just when you think you've figured it out, another twist emerges. The tension builds relentlessly, leaving you on the edge of your seat. You'll be frantically flipping pages, desperate to know the truth. The Advocate's Phantom is more than just a legal thriller. It's a commentary on the price of truth and the lengths to which people will go to protect their secrets. Burrell explores the themes of justice, corruption, and the seductive nature of power. Section 4. Justice prevails. The climax of The Advocate's Phantom is a whirlwind of confrontation and revelation. Jake finally comes face to face with the Phantom. The truth is revealed in a shocking showdown that will leave you breathless. The mastermind behind the elaborate scheme is unmasked, and their motives are laid bare. While justice ultimately prevails, it comes at a cost. The journey leaves Jake forever changed. He's forced to confront the darkness within himself and the world around him. Burrell reminds us that even in the pursuit of justice, there are always casualties. Burrell's writing is sharp and evocative. She skillfully builds suspense, keeping you hooked from the first page to the last. The characters are richly drawn, their motivations complex and believable. Section 5. A lasting impression. The Advocate's Phantom is a gripping read that will stay with you long after you finish the last page. It's a story about the power of truth, the dangers of deceit, and the courage it takes to fight for what's right. Burrell's masterful storytelling will leave you questioning the nature of justice and the lengths to which people will go to protect their secrets. If you're a fan of legal thrillers, this book is a must-read. Be prepared for a wild ride. You'll be kept guessing until the very end, and even then, you'll be left pondering the questions raised by this thought-provoking novel.